Okay, my name is Indahchairunnisaa. I will present my presentation about optimality theory. Optimality theory history. Prince and Smolensky, 1993, introduced the optimality theory as a framework for linguistic analysis. Kager, 1999, gave an introduction to the theory. The theory was later expanded by Prince and John McCarthy in 2001. Optimality theory is usually considered a development of generative grammar. What is optimality theory? Optimality theory is a linguistic theory that reflects resolution of conflicts between competing constraints of a set of language. It was introduced in the 1990s by linguists Alan Prince and Paul Smolensky through their book entitled Optimality Theory: Constraint Interaction in Generative Grammar, 1993 or 2004. Even though originally developed from generative phonology, the principles of optimality theory have also been applied in studies of morphology, syntax, pragmatics, language acquisition and change, and other linguistic areas. Observation. At the heart of optimality theory lies the idea that language, and in fact every grammar, is a system of conflicting forces. These forces are embodied by constraints, each of which make a requirement about some aspects of grammatical output forms. Constraints are typically conflicting, in the sense that to satisfy one constraint implies the violation of another. Given the fact that no form can satisfy all constraints simultaneously, there must be some mechanism selecting forms that incur lesser constraint violation from others that incur more serious one. This selectional mechanism involves hierarchical ranking of constraints, such that higher ranking constraints have priority over lower ranked ones. While constraints are universal, the rankings are not difference in ranking are the source of cross-linguistic variation. The function of optimality theories have two. The one is gen or generator and eval or evaluator. Gen underlying forms are input for gens. Gen creates or possibly infinite list of candidates. This is the example of gen. Eval or evaluator applies ranking to candidate list, selects most harmonious candidate. An example analysis: assume plural morpheme is Z, explain variation between Z and S. Thank you. This is my presentation.